How to turn off videos backup on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off videos backup on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find chats, and then just scroll down until you find this one, chat backup. Click on it, and then here you will find it, this one here, the last one. If you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click on it, one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.